Hello everyone. Today we have an important news coming from Kazakhstan wherein China warns the presence of unknown pneumonia deadlier than COVID-19. Chinese embassy in Kazakhstan on Thursday warned its citizens that a local pneumonia outbreak in the country had a much higher fatality rate than COVID-19. China's Global Times reported that the unknown pneumonia in Kazakhstan caused 1,772 deaths in the first 6 months of the year, including 628 people in June alone, including Chinese citizens. It claimed there has not been any indication the pneumonia was related to the COVID-19 pandemic. According to reports, the areas seeing a spike in pneumonia cases are Etirau, Ektobe, and the city of Shymkent. As Kazakhstan shares a border with China's Xinjiang, experts have called for measures to prevent the possible spread of the pneumonia to China. Kazakh news agency Kazinform reported on July 7 that the number of pneumonia cases increased 2.2 times in June as compared to the same period of 2019, that is 1,700 cases. Up to 200 people are admitted to hospitals every day. In a televised address to the nation on Wednesday, Kazakhstan's President Tokayev referred to the surge in pneumonia cases and claimed they are in fact facing the second coronavirus wave coupled with a huge uptick of pneumonia cases. As of Wednesday, Kazakhstan had recorded 51,059 coronavirus cases and 264 fatalities from the pandemic. However, it wasn't immediately clear if Chinese officials had more information about the pneumonia or any specific reason to call it unknown. Kazakh media have only said it is pneumonia. It was also not known if the WHO had been informed about the unknown pneumonia. Further, the Kazakh Health Ministry insisted on Friday that Chinese pneumonia claim was not true, despite the apparent surge in cases not confirmed as coronavirus. Branding the Chinese media reports based on the embassy statement as fake news, the ministry said its tallies of bacterial, fungal, and viral pneumonia infections, which also included cases of unclear causes, were in line with WHO guidelines. Hence, the information published by some Chinese media regarding a new kind of pneumonia in Kazakhstan is incorrect, the ministry said. Kazakhstan said that it has not ruled out that those ill with the mystery pneumonia could be suffering from COVID-19, but the initial tests are not showing the virus, and this, in principle, is permissible because a coronavirus infection descends from the upper to the lower respiratory tract, and the PCR test does not always show a positive result. The health officials, however, admitted pneumonia cases had increased 2.2 times in June compared to the same period of 2019, and some 300 people diagnosed with pneumonia are being hospitalized every day. That's all for today. Thank you.